Yo, what's going on, guys? Today we're gonna do some traveling. We're gonna do some mobile fender rolling. I haven't done that in about like 5 to 6 years, but since I don't have a shop right now, I'm doing mobile. So if you guys need mobile within Bakersfield, maybe Delano, just let me know. Hit me up, and I'm back on doing mobile. Usually Fridays though. Fridays and maybe Saturday if I'm not busy. So only Fridays, Saturdays, I'll do mobile. So just let me know. Hit me up on the Instagram. It's on the description down below. Again, if you need me, let me know. So we're heading to the customer's house right now, and there's a lot of traffic, man. It's pissing me off. But yeah. Heading to the customer's house right now, and we'll see you guys when I get there. Guys, we're here at the location, and we're doing a BMW E60, and we're doing the rears. Let's check out the rears. So as you can see, he's revving all through this area right here. So where it's polished, that's where he's revving. So what we have to do is cut this plastic and then clean the inside. I need the fender roller, and I cut the plastic and clean the inside. Not sure if you can see up in there, but it's ready to go. It's all done.
Did my tire fuck it up?
Nah, it's actually not that bad.
The good thing is that tire shop just right here down the street. That's all right.
Alright, the other side is prepped, and now to roll it. 6 minutes. Huh?
Wheels.
I think I spent 17 on it. Yeah. There's other guys that sell it for like 9 to 1,000. So you gotta rebuild them. Oh yeah, he does all the suspension. Yeah, I let him do all the suspension, and then I just do headlights now.
Oh, okay. Just the stock one. Just replace all of them.
Uh huh.
How much would you charge me for that?
I gotta ask him, because the only 3 times I have is Fridays. Yeah. So I got a lot of headlight stuff to do, so. Yeah. Yeah. That 661 Timberland one? Okay. Yeah. Is it a full or is it just a stop? Okay.
Now, using that girl car, I want to lower it.
all done. Happy, happy dog. Happy, happy. It's all nice and flat. Got a little bit of pull. Pull to it. Lots of room. Looking good. Alright. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but a lot of room for activities. About like an inch. Let's see if it's alignment. The alignment's a little bit off, but a lot of room. Alright guys, I'm done with the fender rolling. Now it's time to head back home and do some headlights. Alright guys, I'm back into the shop. If you guys need some fender rolling, hit me up. But I'm only available on Fridays, maybe Saturdays. If not, you can hit up Tyler at 661 Fender Rolling. I'll put the name on the screen and on the descriptions below. So yeah, if it's within Bakersfield, I'll travel, but only on Fridays. And Tyler will do it when he has time, so you need to contact him. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.
Perfect.